Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to schedule an email in Gmail. Friends, if you want to send an email on a particular date and time, then you can very easily schedule it. So to schedule an email in Gmail, you simply need to open your Gmail app. Now in your Gmail app, you need to press on compose. Now here enter the email address on which you want to schedule your email. Now add the subject. Now compose your email. Now after composing your email, you need to press on the three dots to schedule this email. Now here press on schedule send. Now from here you can select date and time. Like I want to schedule this email for 4th October and time of sending is 3 p.m. Now after giving date and time, press on schedule send. Now friends, your email is scheduled. To see all your scheduled emails, you need to open Gmail app. Now here press on the three lines. Now here you will find scheduled. Press on it. Now here you will find your scheduled email. So friends, like this you can very easily schedule an email in Gmail. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.